Hey guys, I'm Kyle with Lone Peak. Welcome to our first ever gear drop, where we hide a Lone Peak Challenge coin in the wild, and the first person to find it wins a huge prize pack. Here's how it works. Click on the link below or the link in bio and join the drop. There's two ways to participate. Number one is head to the general area of the drop. We'll let you know ahead of time. This first drop is in Frenchman Coulee near the Gorge in Eastern Washington. Head out Friday night after work, and when the countdown timer reaches 0, everyone will get the coordinates to the exact location of the challenge coin. The first person to find it wins a giant prize pack. You can win a fire can from Ignik. It's one of my favorite accessories. I cook steaks, Pop-Tarts on it, a heated 12-volt blanket you can hook up to your camper or to a Jackery, especially when it's shoulder season like this and cold, and then a $3,000 Lone Peak gift card. The second way to participate is to share the drop. Our mission here at Lone Peak is to get more and more people out adventuring and enjoying nature, and so whoever shares the contest the most will win a runner-up prize, which is a titanium Lone Peak overlanding shovel. All right, guys, I think that's it. Join the drop, and we'll see you out here at 3 p.m. on Saturday for the hunt. Afterwards, we're gonna be grilling and doing some night climbing on the feathers. It's gonna be rad. I'll see you out here.